Hello, it's Bob here in the Dean's office, College of Engineering at the University of South Florida, on day 26 of Operation Engineering. How are you doing? And I hope this message finds you and your loved ones, your family and your friends healthy and safe. And I hope you had a great weekend. So today's quote was offered to us by Dr. Nancy Diaz El Sayed. When I is replaced by we, even illness comes wellness. And the author of that quote is unknown. I was thinking about taking credit for it because it's such a great quote. So Nancy, thanks for submitting that quote today. I've gotten a few messages from some of you that say that you really enjoy the daily quotes. So keep sending them in if you've got some of your favorites. I'd love to share those. Thank you again for your continued response, positive response to this project. Found out that we now can add a couple more pins to our website that hosts our virtual hometown map: California, Los Angeles, and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And I noted to Jermaine, who was from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, that my favorite baseball team is the Pittsburgh Pirates. And people always ask me why that is, as I'm not from Pittsburgh. I've only visited there once. Well, that was because my first baseball coach was drafted into the military off of the Pittsburgh Pirates, and when I was in Little League, and he was my baseball coach. So not having a hometown in the U.S., being born and raised in Europe, Pirates became my favorite baseball team, still are today. We got some beautiful photo of Los Angeles that Nancy sent in with a clear air. We've talked about this a little bit before. It's one of the benefits of the stay-at-home orders is that there's so many fewer cars out on the road and manufacturing processes and so forth, that the air seems to have gotten cleared up quite a bit. Also, Nancy sent in a great picture of her homemade donuts that she made for her 4-year-old. So I just wanted to note that I love those jimmies on the donuts. Then I got to thinking, why are they called jimmies? I learned that some people call them sprinkles. What do you call them? I call them jimmies. Well, today we didn't have as many submittals as we typically do, so I thought I'd take the opportunity just to say a few words myself. So, as nasty as the COVID-19 crisis has been and continues to be, it has served at least one purpose. And that is, it has illuminated our shared humanity. So we can conceptualize, we can intellectualize our experiences over the past 6 weeks. Then, of course, as academic leaders, we speak about numbers like student headcount, tuition dollars, and reduced class sizes, limited research output measured with papers and citations as our research enterprise struggles to meet deadlines, and so on and so on. Numbers and numbers and numbers. But we all know that this isn't strictly business anymore. It's become highly personal. COVID-19 is impacting people's lives and people's livelihoods. So as it became clear to me that the pandemic was real and would be heading our way, and as we began to prepare for remote operations, I thought that the situation might lead to anxiety, fear, and ultimately anger. But what I see and what you are displaying is poise, kindness, grace, beauty, and dignity. And as I've said before, crises illuminates character. And during these times, we find out who people really are. And what we're finding out is that you are amazing. And I want to thank you for all you do for our students and all you do for their success. So as always, stay safe, be well, and we'll talk soon.